Welcome back to the show, guys. Now he's based in Boston, but he's all Jamaican. Venom Legacy is our talent on the rise for this week. Let's check him out.
Tell them a peace, love and unity. No more war in our community. Tell them put your guns on silence. No more violence. Tell them a peace, love and unity. No more war. They are man campaign champion man, and I don't know they are campaign nice street with Andrew Powell. I don't know, that's more works, you see me? We show up a face now, only for event we are going nice streets of Jamaica, like Weddy and all of them places, you know. I meet with only for the artists in my business where I do the thing right now, you see me? Well, you know, say 5 years ago though, I moved to Boston, but at Jamaica born man, you know, you see me, born and raised, Jubilee, from Kingston to St. Thomas, so that's I think base man, you see me? Right through.
Where in St. Thomas did you live?
You know, say I yellow slow, but when I moved to the States, I go straight to New York. Spend a year, Boston. Professionally, well, 4 years right now. Andrew bring me in a thing, you know. You see me? I'm not fully reach, but people wanna look out for me soon today. First producer I ever work with anything go out there, and I was Russian, you know. You see me? I did a combination with 2 other artists who I work with in Boston named Fire Bingy and Live Let the Healer. So we did a combination on Russian rhythm, Dynamite rhythm. Yeah man, work hard, you know, you see me, because that's the thing then, work hard so play hard, you know, you see me, all the way. But the track with the work is still a peace, love and unity, you know, because that we need, because enough people don't have no unity, no oneness, you see me, enough man kind of shade out the thing, real way. But we just need some more peace and some more unity in Jamaica. Me is a youth, humble, love the music, I want to do it, and we come to bring something different to the music. I want to go see it, just look out for it. The journey rough, you know. Yeah man, the journey rough man, you get fight everywhere you go. But you see from you stick to what you know best and you just keep on pushing non-stop, you'll be there man in no time man, you see me?
Lots of laughter and a decent crowd at the Lime CIA comedy show held at the Usain Bolt Tracks on Records. Let's check out the highlights.
You know, so when I'm gonna go to the first time, we budget a whole heap of money. Men on my line, we budget a whole heap of money because what? We expect the woman to go eat her fill. We go say, alright then, the first date cost me 15 grand, so she's a 15 grand woman. If me have 15 grand and you eat 3 grand worth of food, the second date at 2.5 me I walk with you.
And somehow no inside here, when you come a comedy show and we share one joke, and no come back on our next show and see we no have the audacity to open the mouth and talk about say we no hear that the joke me already. Why not tell Taros Riley and Beanie Man? Why not tell them that?
We needed to find a younger demographic, younger comedians, more hip, because there's a preconceived notion that comedy is old in Jamaica. There's a lot of bigger heads, elderly people doing it and stuff. So you never find a younger crop and make it more hip and more, you know, I would say hip, just hip overall. And this concept kind of came out of that realization. Let's do it at Tracks and Records.
19 channel must go. So you can imagine the president come now and in a hotel at Pegasus and watch Cable when he look and see him channel them over there. They over here as Skylark and him call over there and say, you guys are Jamaica, they are legalized. So all the cable network over there showing, we got to take them off. We got to take them off. The one good president where there, he sent for him. Over there don't understand now, you know.
It's a summer thing for now, and who knows what it can blossom into thereafter. We just wanted to start this now, get the ball rolling, and hopefully it may last beyond summer. This is the elders, because the elders set it. But in everything, there is evolution and there is newness, and this is one such effort. So we have many more comedians coming. We just don't want to get them right yet.
When last have you had dried coconut with sugar on it? I haven't had it in so long. Now we're going on to our second commercial break, but before we go, listen up to this accident prevention tip courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited. We'll be right back.
Research has shown that most pedestrian deaths occur in urban areas, non-intersection locations, and also at night. Here are a few tips on how pedestrians can help to prevent injuries and deaths from motor vehicle crashes. Pedestrians can increase their visibility at night by carrying a flashlight when walking and by wearing retroreflective clothing. Wherever possible, pedestrians should cross the street at a designated crosswalk or intersection. It is much safer to walk on a sidewalk, but if a sidewalk is not available, pedestrians should walk on the shoulder and facing the oncoming traffic. These accident prevention tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.